Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Chong and today I'm going to present you about the Olympiad Science Preparatory Notes for Competitions. It is a comprehensive study guide designed specifically for students preparing for the Olympiad Science competition created by Coco Educations. This guide is an invaluable resource packed with essential formulas, key concepts, and important definitions to help you systematically review and consolidate your understanding of the scientific topics. Let's take a quick look at the main content of the study guide, which are divided into three main categories: physics, chemistry, and biology. So first, let's have the physics topics here. The formula list is an essential part for this section, providing you with critical formulas that are key to solving problems efficiently in various physics concepts. As you can see from this list here, we have formula for measurements, kinematics, pressure, energy, work and power, dynamics, mass, weight and density, kinetic model of matter, thermal properties of matter, general wave properties, current electricity, circuits, electromagnetism, and last but not least, the practical electricity. Next, we have the image formed by the mirror, where we are going to explore the principle of optics and how the mirrors form images. This topic will help you understand how light interacts with the reflective surfaces. And one of the very important law that you're going to learn from this topic is talking about the law of reflection, which telling us that the angle of incidence equals to the angle of reflection. Moving on to the chemistry topic, and we start the topic with the periodic table. So periodic table is a handy reference to the elements and their properties, which is essential for the understanding of chemical reactions. So from the periodic table of element itself, we'll be studying about the properties, for example, the metallic properties, the non-metallic, the metalloid, the reactivity of the reactive metals such as the sodium, potassium, and rubidium, and so on. After that, we dive into the atomic structure where you will learn about the components of the atoms. The three subatomic particles are protons, neutrons, and electrons. From this topic, we are going to go through about the relative mass and the relative charge for all of these subatomic particles. For example, proton has a net positive charge, electron has a net negative charge, whereby for a neutron has a neutral charge, or we say zero charge. And finally, we have the changes of physical state, where if we look at how substances undergo the physical changes, transferring from solid to liquid and from liquid to gas, or vice versa. So the key concept from this topic itself will be studying about the absorbing and releasing of energy, causing them to change in their physical state. Next, we have biology. In this section, we begin with the animal cell and the plant cell. From this topic itself, we're going to differentiate about the animal cell and plant cell, looking into the structures, the organelles, and their functions. Then we have moved on to the human body system, where we explore how the human body is organized and how its system put together to maintain health. So as you can see from the list here, we have all these human body system, including the skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, endocrine system, lymphatic system, integumentary system, urinary system, and male and female reproductive system. We also cover the plant anatomy, focusing on the cross-section of the leaf and plant transport system, where we examine how the plants transport water, nutrients, and food. So, as you can see from the cross-section here, the most important thing about the plant transport system, we'll be talking about the xylem and also the phloem, which are the water carrying tube, and for phloem, the food carrying tube. So we'll be seeing how the xylem and phloem transport the water, minerals, and food throughout the plant's parts. Additionally, we have ecology. For this topic, we'll be covering the ecosystem, the food chain, and the interaction between the organisms and their environment. So one of the very important key terms for the ecology topic is talking about the relationship between the producers, consumers, as well as the decomposers. From this diagram, you'll be seeing the trophic level 1 all the way to 3, 4, or 5. Okay, they are actually showing the different trophic level, like the interaction and the transfer of energy from the lower trophic to the higher trophic level. Lastly, we explore taxonomy, which explains how living organisms are classified and categorized into different groups. As you can see, starting from domain, kingdom, and all the way down to the most specific type of the organism we call species. This helps us to identify, classify, and group the organisms into different categories so that we can study them more easier. Right. Each section of the study guide is presented concisely, allowing you to focus on the key concepts and the formulas, as say for the physics. This makes it perfect for the preparations and enabling you to efficiently revise and ensure you are well prepared for the competitions. In the upcoming weeks, we'll be dive deeply into each of these topics with a detailed explanation as well as the examples. So stay tuned and get ready for an exciting and enriching learning journey ahead. Good luck and happy studying. See you soon. Bye and thank you.